Eh bien, bonjour à tous, on se retrouve en Autriche, on est au quartier général, headquarter comme on dit ici, de FBT. FBT, on en entend parler depuis un peu plus d'1 an maintenant en France. On en entend parler notamment par ces crosses uniques, hein, donc c'est des crosses carbone qui se montent sur tout un tas d'armes. Et je suis en compagnie de Wolfgang, que vous connaissez peut-être d'ailleurs sur Chasse puisqu'on l'a déjà interviewé, qui va nous présenter déjà un petit peu la marque FBT. You present the FBT philosophy, the trend, and after you are going to show the assembly of the unique stock.
Hello, I'm Wolfgang, and I founded FBT 2013. FBT, the philosophy behind FBT is we wanted to produce a stock, a carbon stock for lightweight hunting in the mountains of Austria or in the mountains of all over the world. And in the beginning, we started with one model, and the problem was everybody wanted to have a carbon stock on his specific system, and the problem was that one system took us about 1 year to develop. So we invented in 2019 together with my partner Moritz the unique system, which has a unique part in the back and a unique part in the front, the carbon part, and the middle part is 3D printed. And this is why we developed now about 50 different models, 50 different systems for 50 different gun systems. And we had been a startup for many years, and now we changed to our new factory building here in Gröbming, and we have now more.
How many guys work actually?
At the moment, there are working 12 guys for assembling all the stocks and for developing the different systems, the different constructions. We also constructed new 3D printed titanium silencers. And yes, that's the way we want to conquer the world. I think we are now in the good position to present so many different possibilities to equip different gun systems with very lightweight stock, and we also have now the possibility to equip semi-autos, then single shot guns, and all kind of bolt action rifles.
And you can do aussi specific carbon stock with design for personal design. You do?
We can personalize. We can personalize in colors. We can personalize in different in camouflage patterns. We can personalize in different carbon side plates or personalized side plates.
Et ben maintenant, je vous propose qu'on aille voir comment elles sont assemblées, hein, ces crosses, tout simplement, avec les deux parties avant et arrière carbone et la fameuse partie du milieu 3D imprimée. Moritz, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome here in our manufacturing part of FBT.
Yes, yes, a very, very beautiful factory. Moritz, donc, qui est associé à Wolfgang que vous venez de voir et qui nous a présenté FBT, va nous montrer précisément comment sont assemblées les crosses. Donc, comme je vous le disais juste avant, hein, donc on a la partie arrière, on a la partie 3D imprimée et on a la languesse. Tout ça, c'est imprimé, c'est même collé. Et ensuite, on vient rajouter donc, les petits inserts pour les bipieds Spartan et le busque.
So, to just get a little overview, as Wolfgang described earlier, we have 3 different main parts, which is the universal front stock, carbon fiber, the universal back stock, also carbon fiber, and then this model-specific middle part, 3D printed out of plastic and then Cerakoted. In this case, we have an R93 professional stock model, and then we also have some additional parts, which are, for example, the serially integrated Spartan bipod adapter, some, in that case, carbon fiber side plates. We have an adjustable cheek piece, which is also a different build group. Also here, you see, we try to save every gram by using a lot of 3D printed parts that are made in some honeycomb hexagon patterns. So yeah, there is not a single gram too much on these parts. And the main construction now works like that. All parts go together. So the key on this construction is the gluing part, like how we combine those two parts, the 3D printed part and the carbon fiber part. We use a patented design of some gluing channels that are then equipped with carbon fiber reinforcement. And also on the back stock, we have our patented, as we call it, gluing mushroom, and some hollow points here, where also carbon fiber reinforcement comes into. All these parts get stick together, put on one plate, so everything gets positioned, and then we inject glue into those channels, which brings the glue in the exact position we want to have it, and it stays very clean in the whole process. The whole part later comes into a hardening oven, hardened on around 60 degrees for 3 hours, which finishes the full body of this carbon stock. So here we have some stocks, in that case for Blaser R8, as I see, that are within the hardening process. As you see, front stock and middle part are positioned in a certain position together on this build plate and are now in the hardening process. Next part afterwards is the testing. Our quality assurance means that we take every stock together with the original system, so we make sure that it works in the end and fits 100%.
Donc vous venez de voir la fabrication de ces crosses uniques. Alors les crosses FBT uniques, elles ont la particularité donc, de se monter sur environ 50 modèles de carabines, dont évidemment les plus connus, hein, donc je pourrais citer la Blaser R8 ou R93. Par exemple la Benelli Lupo qu'on a sous les yeux, aussi forcément les carabines Tika. On peut aussi les monter sur des Merkel RXLX, et aussi typiquement par exemple sur des Browning bars, donc des carabines semi-automatiques. Donc ça c'est assez intéressant pour gagner du poids. Et puis pour gagner du poids, on peut aussi mettre des modérateurs de son INCA, donc c'est les modérateurs que développe FBT. On a 4 modèles différents, avec des atténuations forcément différentes et des poids différents. Et donc la particularité, on a une enveloppe carbone et un intérieur titane. Et puis après, pour finir, certains se posent aussi la question, combien on va gagner de poids avec une crosse carbone? Ça va varier entre, disons, 300 et 500 grammes en fonction donc de votre modèle de carabine. Voilà, et je vous dis à très bientôt sur Chasse Passion. Thank you very much, Wolfgang. Thank you very much, Moritz. And see you later, and perhaps in France or tomorrow.
Thank you for the visit.
In the mountain tomorrow.